I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a chocolate-coated strawberry box. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries, looking for vibrant red color and green leaves. Next, gently wash your strawberries under cold running water for about 15 to 20 seconds. It is crucial to thoroughly pat each berry completely dry with paper towels, as any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Finally, allow your strawberries to reach room temperature before you begin dipping. Now let's prepare your chocolate. For the best results, choose a high-quality baking chocolate like semi-sweet or dark chocolate. You can melt your chocolate using a double boiler or a microwave. If using a microwave, heat the chocolate in 30-second intervals, stirring thoroughly after each until it is about 90% melted. Then, continue stirring without additional heat until it is completely smooth. This slow melting prevents burning and ensures a beautiful, glossy finish for your strawberries. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem, or for extra stability, insert a toothpick into the top. Dip the strawberry into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully coated. Lift it out, gently shaking off any excess chocolate and lightly scrape the bottom. If you plan to add toppings like sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a white chocolate drizzle, do so immediately after dipping, before the chocolate begins to set. Place each dipped berry on parchment paper. Once dipped, allow your chocolate-covered strawberries to set. You can let them harden at cool room temperature on parchment paper, or for quicker results, refrigerate them for about 30 minutes until the chocolate is firm. For presentation, arrange your beautiful strawberries in a single layer inside a food-grade box. To prevent them from touching and smudging, you can place each berry in a small paper cupcake liner or use foam padding between layers. This ensures they look as good as they taste when gifted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.